Welcome to Episode 2 of our GOWE Production Base Tour, Tianjin GOWE New Materials Company, Limited. Founded in June 2014 as GOWE Group's pioneer in aluminum formwork, we are located in Ninghe Modern Industrial Park, Tianjin, covering 70 mu, with a registered capital of 300 million renminbi. We are a comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, design, manufacturing, leasing, sales, and specialized construction for aluminum formwork systems, while providing full lifecycle services including refurbishment, recycling, and modification. With strong innovative capabilities, we have been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise, Tianjin Specialized, Sophisticated, Innovative Enterprise, and Tianjin Gazelle Enterprise. GOWE Group, empowering green construction with premium quality and full chain services. GOWE. Together, go further.